Keyhole Markup Language is an XML notation for expressing geographic annotation and visualization within Internet-based, two-dimensional maps and three-dimensional Earth browsers. KML was developed for use with Google Earth, which was originally named Keyhole Earth Viewer. It was created by Keyhole, Incorporated, which was acquired by Google in 2004. KML became an international standard of the Open Geospatial Consortium in 2008. Google Earth was the first program able to view and graphically edit KML files. Other projects such as Marble have also started to develop KML support. Structure: the KML file specifies a set of features for display in here maps, Google Earth, Maps and Mobile, or any other geospatial software implementing the KML encoding. Each place always has a longitude and a latitude. Other data can make the view more specific, such as tilt, heading, altitude, which together define a camera view along with a timestamp or time span. KML shares some of the same structural grammar as GML. Some KML information cannot be viewed in Google Maps or mobile. KML files are very often distributed in KMZ files, which are zipped KML files with a KMZ extension. These must be legacy compression compatible, otherwise the KMZ file might not uncompress in all browsers. The contents of a KMZ file are a single root KML document and optionally any overlays, images, icons, and Collida 3D models referenced in the KML including network link KML files. The root KML document by convention is a file named .kml at the root directory level, which is the file loaded upon opening. By convention the root KML document is at root level and referenced files are in subdirectories. An example KML document is the MIME type associated with KML is application VND Google Earth KML plus XML. The MIME type associated with KMZ is application VND Google Earth KMZ. Geodetic reference systems in KML: for its reference system, KML uses 3D geographic coordinates, longitude, latitude and altitude, in that order, with negative values for west, south and below mean sea level if the altitude data is available. The longitude, latitude components are as defined by the World Geodetic System of 1984. The vertical component is measured from the WGS84 EGM96 geoid vertical datum. If altitude is omitted from a coordinate string, for example, then the default value of 0 is assumed for the altitude component, that is, a formal definition of the coordinate reference system used by KML is contained in the OGC KML 2.2 specification. This definition references well-known EPS-GCRS components. OGC standard process: the KML 2.2 specification was submitted to the Open Geospatial Consortium to assure its status as an open standard for all browsers. In November 2007 a new KML 2.2 standards working group was established within OGC to formalize KML 2.2 as an OGC standard. Comments were sought on the proposed standard until January 4, 2008. And it became an official OGC standard on April 14, 2008. The OGC KML Standards Working Group is currently working on change requests to KML 2.2 and incorporating accepted changes into a future KML 2.3 standard. See also, City GML, Collida, Geography Markup Language, Geospatial Content Management System, GPS Exchange Format, Point of Interest, Waypoint, References. External links: OGC KML 2.2 Standard, OGC Official KML 2.2 Schema, Google's KML documentation,